Well, there's a lot to talk about and an interesting day unfolded weather-wise for Alabama. Let's start off with how things are looking this morning. We are starting out with rain and some snow mixed with some of the rain across our northern tier of counties. And this is a very interesting setup as far as our weather goes because of the fact we have, well, temperatures at different levels in the atmosphere at different ranges. And unfortunately, while we're hopeful that we would get a little sunshine in here, our chances of rain are looking more likely. Now, late into the afternoon, our chances of rain will start to scale back, but the high today will get above freezing and make it up to 35. I'm looking at 33 this morning. Fingers crossed that we do not hit the freezing mark in Birmingham for this morning. It's still possible, and we are seeing freezing temperatures now in a number of spots north of I-20. Here is the winter storm warning, which will be in effect not only for today, but through the day on Wednesday into Wednesday night and early Thursday. All of the counties you see highlighted here in the darker blue, that is for the winter storm warning. A winter weather advisory for Coleman County northward back into the Tennessee Valley, where they're looking at all rain, or actually I should say all snow. It's all rain south of Birmingham, just north of the city though. And look at how close this is. 32 in Jasper, 33 in Birmingham. It's quite possible in western Jefferson County it's at 32 degrees. You have to factor in terrain and a number of different ingredients that could be in play here. Now, we've watched rain all throughout the early morning hours across central Alabama and especially southward where it's much warmer. But we are on that dividing line. This is the Mason-Dixon line, so to speak, of where the rain is versus sleet, freezing rain, and a little snow. On the north edge, we've had mostly snow, but there is a little bit of a surge of rain a little further north in the last couple of frames here. Still looking at the possibility of some freezing rain developing in our western counties, and that is what will swing through Alabama because of the fact right now the temperature at the Golden Triangle Airport in Columbus, Georgia, or Columbus, Mississippi, I should say, is at 30 degrees. So that's something we have to watch very carefully if that colder air starts to nose its way back into West Alabama. Now, the rain chances should start to wrap up by later into the afternoon. I'm going to keep the chance of a sprinkle in there for now, or at least a passing shower, but clouds will stay in place. Things will have quieted down. Without the rain falling, that in turn can help to allow for the rain or temperatures to warm back up. But once the rain starts again, temperatures go back down because of some evaporational cooling that could be happening above us. Here's a look at all of the rain for early Wednesday morning. This will go from rain to snow and possibly even freezing rain in East Alabama during the day on Wednesday. I'll have a look at those areas of pink and white for you coming up here in just a couple of moments. But I did want to show that through Wednesday afternoon and evening, we're still looking at rain and snow potential. Temperatures will be cold enough that we could see some accumulations, especially east of I-65 over towards the Georgia state line. Finally, on Thursday, we're back into sunshine. Temperatures could absolutely become balmy at 50 degrees. With all that sarcasm, I'll show you the extended forecast here. You can see temperatures in the mid-30s for highs. Colder in our northern counties. We could have some problems with icing, especially East Alabama. And then this weekend, we do warm up quite a bit.